Hello friends, welcome to techjaspreet YouTube channel. And friends, this video is going to be a very long video because in this video I will show you how you can download Windows 10 Pro ISO file on your laptop or PC, then how to make a USB bootable, then how to install Windows 10 on your PC or laptop. So friends, keep watching this video. Let's begin with step number 1, which is to open Chrome browser and then search Windows 10 ISO. And now click on the very first link, which is of Microsoft website. And friends, now we are going to create a Windows 10 installation media. So to do that, on this website, scroll down and click on Download Tool Now button. And now the media creation tool is downloading on my PC and it's about 18 MB in size. And now the downloading is complete. Now click on it to start media creation tool software. And now you have to wait for a bit so that the software will configure all the required files. As you can see on your screens, it's getting few things ready, so please wait. And now we have to accept the applicable notices and license terms. So click on the accept button. And here we have to select create installation media, so we can make a bootable USB using the ISO file, and after that click on the next button. If you want to change the language, edition and architecture of the Windows, remove the tick under architecture option, and after that you will able to change the language, Windows 10 edition as well as architecture of the Windows, that is 32-bit or 64-bit. So I am selecting both architecture of the Windows, that is 64-bit as well as 32-bit, and after that click on the next button. Among these options we have to select ISO file because we can use ISO file in many ways. For example, we can make a bootable USB as well as a DVD by using ISO file, and after that click on the next button. After this it will open a pop-up window. In this window we have to select a save path for the Windows 10 ISO file. So I am saving Windows 10 ISO file on my desktop, and after that click on the save button. And now the media creation tool will download Windows 10 ISO file on my PC. So it will take about 5 to 10 minutes depending upon your internet connection. So you have to wait and be patient. And now Windows 10 ISO file is downloaded on my PC, and now media creation tool is verifying the downloaded file. So now you have to wait for another few minutes so that the setup will be completed. So friends, finally the Windows 10 ISO file is downloaded on my PC. As you can see now, Windows Media Creation tool is now cleaning any temporary files on my PC, and you can also see Windows 10 ISO file on my Windows desktop. As you can see on your screens, the Windows 10 ISO file is about 4 GB in size. So now we are moving to step number 2. To make a USB bootable drive so we can install Windows 10 on our laptop or PC. To make a USB bootable, we have to download a software called Rufus. So open your Chrome browser and search Rufus, or you can directly go to rufus.ie website and download the latest version of Rufus software on your PC. When the download is completed, insert USB drive in your laptop or PC and open Rufus application. As you can see on your screen, Rufus application automatically detected my USB drive. And now from boot selection options, you have to select disk or ISO image, and now select the Windows 10 Pro ISO file you have just downloaded. Now in file system, you have to select NTFS, and after that click on the start button and click on OK. And now this application will completely format your USB drive and create new boot partition system in it. Now this software will copy all the Windows 10 ISO files to the USB drive for the installation purpose. So you have to wait for 10 to 15 minutes so that the copying process will be completed. And friends, now all the files has been copied to my USB drive, and now click on the close button and also close the Rufus software. Now we have a USB bootable drive, and now we are able to install Windows 10 Pro using USB drive. To install Windows 10 Pro on your laptop or PC, now you have to restart your PC. So now I am going to restart my PC. Friends, when your laptop or PC is completely turned off, first thing you need to do is insert the bootable USB drive in the USB port. Then we need to enter the boot menu of the system. Laptops like HP, Dell, etc. has a different button to enter the boot menu. For example, I am using a HP laptop. So to enter the boot menu of a HP laptop, we have to press F10 key on the keyboard just after as we press the power button of the laptop. Now you will see on your screen, when I turn on the power of the laptop, I have to quickly press the F10 key to enter the boot menu of my HP laptop. Now on your system boot menu, navigate to system configuration using the arrow keys on your keyboard. Now navigate to boot options and press enter. Now navigate to the UEFI boot order option, then make sure that the USB disk drive is at the top of other boot options. If you want to move a particular boot option up or down, you can do so by using F5 and F6 keys on your keyboard. After doing all this work, you have to press F10 key on your keyboard and select yes by using enter key on your keyboard. After saving your work, your laptop will restart. As you can see on your screen, my laptop is restarted, and now it will automatically detect the USB bootable drive. And friends, now you can see on your screens that the Windows 10 setup is started, and now it's time for the step number 3, which is to install Windows 10 Pro on your PC or laptop. When the Windows 10 installation starts, you will see this window. Here you can change the language, time and currency, and also the keyboard input. And after that, click on the next button, and now click on the start button to start installing Windows 10 Pro on your PC. And as you can see here, the setup is starting now. Now Windows 10 will ask you for a Windows 10 genuine key. If you don't have any Windows 10 key, you can select I don't have a product key option. And now you will able to select which version of Windows 10 you want to install on your laptop. I want to install Windows 10 Pro on my laptop, so I will select Windows 10 Pro, and after that I will click on the next button. Now select I accept the license terms, and after that click on the next button. Now select the second option, custom install Windows only advanced. If you want to create new partition on your PC like drive C, drive D, you can do so by clicking on the new button, and after that create new partition for your PC or laptop, and after that click on the next button. So friends, now you can see on your screen that the Windows 10 setup is getting files ready for the Windows 10 installation. So now you have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes depending upon your PC performance. And now your laptop or PC will restart, and don't press any key when you see this option on your screen. Your laptop may restart several times during the installation process, so don't worry. And now the Windows 10 installation is completed, and now we will go through some simple steps. Select the keyboard layout according to your country and press yes button. Click on skip. If you want to connect your Windows 10 PC to a network or Wi-Fi, you can do so here, but I don't want to do that, so I will click on I don't have an internet connection. So if you want to install all these features on your PC, you can click on connect now, but I will do it later, so I will select continue with limited setup. Now enter a name for your PC and click on the next button. Now add a password for your PC and again click on the next button. After this you have to enter 3 security questions, and after that click on the next button. If you want to save all the activities on your PC, you can select the yes option, otherwise select no. If you are going to use Cortana on your PC, select the accept button, otherwise select decline. On this page, enable or disable privacy settings according to you, and after that click on the accept button. So friends, finally the Windows 10 Pro setup is completed, and now I am able to access Windows 10 on my PC. Now I will show you. So let's go to my PC and go to properties. As you can see, my Windows 10 Pro is activated because I purchased a license from Microsoft.com. You can also purchase a license from Microsoft website to activate your Windows. So friends, this was really a long video in which you have learned how you can download Windows 10 ISO file, and then how to make a USB bootable drive, and then finally how to install Windows 10 on your laptop or PC. So friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button, or you can subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. So thanks for watching this video.